Welcome. Another chance to improve your English today. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. The Wright brothers, Wilbur and Orville Wright, changed the world with their invention. They built the first airplane with a motor that could be controlled. Their work helped create the modern aviation industry. They turned the old dream of flying into reality. Wilbur was born on April 16, 1867 in Indiana. Orville was born on August 19, 1871 in Ohio. They grew up in a religious and educated family. Their father, Milton Wright, was a church bishop. Their mother, Susan Catherine Kerner, was smart and creative. She loved science and math. She even made toys and tools for the family. One special moment in their childhood was when their father gave them a small toy helicopter. It used rubber bands to fly. This toy made them excited about flying. From that day, flying became their lifelong dream. Even though they loved learning, neither of them finished high school. But they liked working with their hands and building things. In 1889, they started a small printing business. They published a newspaper called West Side News. The newspaper did not last long, but it helped them learn important skills. In 1892, they opened a bicycle shop called the Wright Cycle Company. It was successful and gave them the money to start building flying machines. The Wright brothers studied the work of Otto Lilienthal, a famous glider pilot. When Lilienthal died in an accident in 1896, the brothers became more serious about flying. They started building gliders. After many tests and failures, they worked on a flying machine with an engine. On December 17, 1903, after years of hard work, Orville flew the first motor-powered airplane. It happened in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. The plane was called Wright Flyer I. The flight lasted only 12 seconds and went 36.5 meters, but it was a big moment in human history. The Wright brothers quickly improved their designs. In 1905, they built Wright Flyer III, the first practical airplane. Their big invention was a system that allowed control in 3 directions. This 3-axis control system is still used in airplanes today. In 1906, they got a patent for their control system. They spent a lot of time and energy protecting their invention in court. Some people say this slowed down the progress of flying for others. The Wright brothers never got married. They spent their whole lives working on flight. They were very close to their sister, Catherine Wright, who helped them and traveled with them often. Wilbur died of typhoid fever on May 30th, 1912, at the age of 45. Orville continued the work for a few more years. In 1915, he sold the company. He died on January 30th, 1948, at the age of 76. Their work changed the world. Today, airplanes are a normal part of life. The Wright brothers' names will always be remembered as the people who helped humans fly. They flipped a coin to decide who would fly first. Orville won. They only flew together one time. They didn't want to risk both of their lives at the same time. The famous photo of their first flight was taken by John T. Daniels, who had never used a camera before. Their first idea came from a small toy helicopter. It led them to build the first real airplane. The Wright brothers made one of the biggest dreams come true. With hard work, creativity, and love for learning, they gave the world something amazing. They didn't just build a machine, they opened the sky for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.